Why spend money on a production when you can get something inspiring? Something that looks good, or something that moves you? Do you want to buy a painting or a work of art? Do you want just a copy or an original? How does this make you feel? Versus this. There are thousands of people who have the same exact painting or print on their walls. Why not bring inspiration and uniqueness to your home that complements your personal style and interests? You can find these paintings and more on my Etsy site at www.etsy.com/shop/Leawayartisans. For more art available for immediate sale, or to get your very own custom art, contact me at leawayartisans@gmail.com or visit my website at www.bnwart.com.